Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tools. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can stop getting notification from Reblog My Post on Mastodon social account. Okay, so sometimes a lot of people reblog your post or reblog your status. Then frequently you will receive a lot of notification on Mastodon. So sometimes it is really uh, uh, it's really problematic for you. So how can you stop getting notification? Watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So now let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see Mastodon social app. So click on your Mastodon. Then click here, top right corner on your screen. This one. Just click on this and scroll down a little bit. Then you can see the option notify me when anyone. So the third option, reblog my post. This one. So simply by default is turn on. So reblog my post. When you click on that, and you can see that it's like turn it off. So after that, if someone reblog your post, then you will not able to receive any notification from them. Okay friend, today is Norman. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.